Hey everyone, welcome back to Nostal Garden, your cozy corner for nostalgic nature vibes. Ever feel overwhelmed by the daily hustle and crave a peaceful escape right at home? Today, discover how easy indoor plants can turn any room into a calming sanctuary that boosts your mood effortlessly. Let's dive into simple, mood-lifting greenery that brings serenity and joy to your space. Welcome to Nostal Garden, where we blend cherished memories with the soothing touch of nature to craft peaceful indoor spaces. Imagine transforming your home into a calm sanctuary using easy indoor plants that not only beautify, but also boost your mood through their air-purifying magic and gentle presence. In this video, we'll explore simple ways to create that nostalgic retreat, drawing on the therapeutic power of greenery to ease daily stresses and invite tranquility into your life, just like a warm embrace from the past. Lavender stands out as an effortless mood booster for your indoor sanctuary, with its soft purple blooms releasing a fragrance that eases tension and invites restful sleep. Place it near a sunny window in a simple pot, and watch how its velvety leaves transform your bedroom into a peaceful nook. This low-maintenance plant not only purifies the air, but also evokes nostalgic calm, like a gentle reminder of quiet countryside evenings, helping you unwind after a long day. The snake plant is your go-to for nighttime serenity, releasing oxygen while you sleep to improve air quality and reduce stress in low-light bedrooms. Its tall, upright leaves add a striking yet subtle vertical elegance, thriving with minimal care to keep your space effortlessly calm. Picture it standing sentinel in the corner, guarding your rest like a faithful companion from nostalgic tales, ensuring deeper, more restorative slumber in your personal sanctuary. Peace lilies bring elegant tranquility with their glossy leaves and pristine white flowers, acting as natural air purifiers that remove toxins for a fresher, mood-lifting environment. Their gentle droop signals when to water, making care intuitive and stress-free in any indoor spot. Nestled on a table or shelf, they create a serene focal point that softens your space, evoking peaceful memories and fostering a calm atmosphere perfect for reflection and relaxation. Jasmine vines offer a romantic evening escape with their sweet, star-shaped blooms that release anxiety-soothing scents in well-lit corners of your home. Train them to trail along walls or shelves for a flowing, natural drape that enhances relaxation routines. This easy grower not only boosts your mood through its fragrance, but also adds a touch of nostalgic whimsy, like moonlit gardens of old, turning quiet moments into fragrant havens of peace. For those with busy lives, the ZZ plant delivers resilient calm with its glossy, arching leaves that thrive in low light and need watering only every few weeks. Position it in an office or hallway to maintain a stress-free green oasis without the fuss. Its tough, waxy foliage symbolizes enduring tranquility, blending seamlessly into nostalgic decor like a steadfast friend, ensuring your sanctuary stays vibrant and soothing year-round. Pothos vines cascade with heart-shaped leaves in shades of green and gold, purifying air while adding fluid motion to hanging spots or shelves for instant calm. Their versatility suits any room, easing stress through natural, trailing beauty that's simple to propagate. Imagine them draping like gentle waterfalls in your nostalgic setup, uplifting moods, and creating a sense of flowing harmony that makes every space feel more inviting and alive. Aloe Vera's spiky rosettes of plump leaves provide both visual soothe and practical healing with their gel for minor ailments, all while requiring little water in sunny spots. This succulent elevates bathrooms or windowsills into calming retreats, its pale greens evoking desert serenity amid daily routines. As a low-maintenance mood lifter, it connects you to nature's remedies, infusing your sanctuary with nostalgic wellness and gentle, restorative energy. Spider plants burst with striped leaves and dangling offshoots that purify air from everyday toxins, growing quickly to fill shelves with lively yet calming texture. Their playful babies make sharing easy, spreading positivity in bright kitchens or living areas. This beginner-friendly choice adds fun to your nostalgic haven, boosting moods through cleaner air and vibrant growth that reminds us of joyful, propagating life in a peaceful indoor world. Chamomile's daisy-like flowers and feathery leaves bring a subtle apple scent to sunny windowsills, perfect for brewing relaxing teas that melt away worries. This compact herb infuses your tea nook with gentle fragrance, promoting tranquility in small doses. Evoking herbal gardens of yesteryear, It transforms simple moments into mood-boosting rituals, creating a cozy sanctuary where calm blooms effortlessly alongside your daily unwind. Lemon balm's crinkled leaves release a zesty citrus aroma that combats insomnia, thriving in moist soil on nightstands for easy access to its uplifting powers. This small powerhouse adds fresh vibrancy to bedrooms, enhancing sleep with its invigorating yet soothing scent, like a nostalgic lemon grove breeze. It fosters citrusy calm in intimate spaces, turning restful nights into rejuvenating escapes within your personal green sanctuary. English ivy climbs with lobed leaves to form lush green walls that filter air and create enveloping tranquility in shaded corners, adaptable to low light for versatile placement. While pet-safe precautions apply, its trailing beauty builds soothing barriers against chaos. This resilient vine adds depth to nostalgic bookshelves, boosting moods through natural enclosure and fostering a sense of secure, peaceful immersion in your indoor retreat. Group pothos, peace lilies, and ferns on tiered stands to balance energy, and unify your space with woven mats and soft lighting for seamless flow. This thoughtful arrangement invites interaction, highlighting varied leaves in harmonious layers. Drawing on nostalgic styling, it transforms corners into cohesive havens, where easy plants create rhythmic calm, elevating moods through intentional greenery that feels both personal and profoundly relaxing. We've explored how easy indoor plants like lavender, snake plants, and pothos create a calm sanctuary, purifying air and easing stress for that ultimate mood boost. These low-maintenance gems transform your home into a nostalgic retreat, fostering relaxation and well-being. If this inspired you, hit like, subscribe to Nostal Garden for more peaceful plant ideas, and drop a comment sharing your favorite calm corner plant. Let's keep growing together.